Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Thursday, or make it Wednesday. It is August 23rd, 2023. We have an Operation Weather we're going to do right now. We have a flood watch in effect for Asheville Inland, Asheville Lakeshore, Janiga Lake, Mahoning, Portage, and Trumbull counties in Ohio, and for Crawford and for Erie and Crawford counties until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. They're saying what? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall possible. Impacts exceed runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise of their banks. Additional details: heavy rain from thunderstorms is expecting tonight across portions of northeast Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania counties. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible overnight into early Thursday morning. Rainfall with local higher amounts possible. Rainfall rates up to an inch to 2 inches per hour are possible with the strongest thunderstorms. Again, this is a flood watch in effect for Erie, Crawford, and Ohio counties until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, all on this Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023, from Jeffrey, the regular channel page on YouTube. We're sitting over at the Getgo station in Titusville. We just got some train videos in there today for the Train Expert channel. Now we have an Operation Weather. We have right now let's go and take a look at the forecast for today and tomorrow. Tonight and tomorrow. They're saying, remember first, subscribe to both of my YouTube channels on YouTube, Jeffrey's regular channels and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Subscribe to both of them, please. So, here's the forecast for today. They're saying rain, high 69, chance of rain 100%, rainfall near half an inch. Tonight, thunderstorms likely, potentially for severe thunderstorms, low 64, chance of rain 90%. For Thursday, scattered thunderstorms early and cloudy skies late. Gusty winds, small hail possible, high 84, chance of rain 60%. And Thursday night, thunderstorms likely, gusty winds and small hail possible, low 69, chance of rain 70%. Here's the forecast for Meadville today. They're saying showers and thunder showers likely, gusty winds and small hail possible, high 70, chance of rain 100%. Tonight, thunderstorms likely, potentially for severe thunderstorms, low 66, chance of rain 100%, 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. And Thursday night, and for Thursday, morning thunderstorms, gusty winds, small hail possible, high 85, chance of rain 50%. And Thursday night, thunderstorms likely this evening, and then a chance of scattered thunderstorms later on. Gusty winds and small hail possible, low 68, chance of rain 70%. Erie forecast for today. Same thing what Meadville said. High 72, showers and thunder showers likely. That's what it said. Chance of rain 100%. Tonight, thunderstorms likely. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 68. Chance of rain 90%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms in the morning. Gusty winds, small hail possible. High 80, chance of rain 50%. And Thursday night, mostly thunderstorms likely this evening, and then a chance of scattered thunderstorms later on. Gusty winds and small hail possible. Low 69, chance of rain 80%. And finally, for Northeast, today they're saying showers and thunder showers likely, or I should say today, periods of rain, high 68, chance of rain 100%. Tonight, thunderstorms likely, potential for severe thunderstorms, low 64, chance of rain 80%. For Thursday, scattered thunderstorms, gusty winds and small hail possible, high 78, chance of rain 60%. And Thursday night, thunderstorms likely this evening, and then a chance of scattered thunderstorms later on. Gusty winds and small hail possible, low 67, chance of rain 70%, and that's it. Supposed to call for like 1 to 2 inches of rain tonight, a quarter of an inch of rain today, and then some places supposed to call for 1 to 2 inches here tonight. So. Alright, I gotta go do a live stream for Jeffrey the Train Experts to close it out for today. So we're gonna get off and been around for 8 minutes. So we're gonna get off. Again, we have a flood watch in effect for Erie, Crawford, and Ohio counties until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's supposed to start till 8 o'clock this evening. It ends at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So we're going to remind everyone one more time, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So that's going to be it for this weather update. Thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. And we'll be back on in just a couple minutes on the Train Expert channel on the live stream to close it out. Talk to you later. Flood watch or flood warning in effect? Flood watch. Got it. So, alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on in a couple minutes on the Train Expert channel to close it out on the live stream. Talk to you later.